Are you a Class 7 student eager to understand how living things breathe and harness energy from food? Don't worry. We'll make respiration simple and enjoyable. Through engaging animations and straightforward explanations, you will explore the fascinating world of how organisms breathe and thrive. So, what is respiration? It's more than just the act of breathing in and out. Respiration is a remarkable process where your body utilizes oxygen to break down food and release energy. Imagine it as a tiny power plant within every cell, working tirelessly to keep you alive and active. However, it's essential to know that breathing and respiration aren't the same. Breathing involves moving air in and out of your lungs, while respiration is the intricate biochemical process inside your cells where oxygen aids in converting food into energy. Let's dive into your incredible respiratory system. Air enters through your nose, travels down your windpipe, fills your lungs, and your diaphragm facilitates this entire process. It acts like a well-designed air conditioning system tailored for your body. Did you know there are two types of respiration? Aerobic respiration, which utilizes oxygen, generates a significant amount of energy. This is what occurs in your body during daily activities. On the other hand, anaerobic respiration happens without oxygen and produces less energy. This often occurs when you're engaged in intense activities like sprinting, causing your muscles to burn. The excitement continues as we discover the unique respiration methods of different organisms. Fish extract oxygen from water using their gills. Frogs breathe through both their skin and lungs, while earthworms utilize their moist skin for respiration. Surprisingly, even plants respire through tiny pores in their leaves called stomata. Just like you, they need to respire to obtain energy. The most astounding fact? Every living entity on Earth, from the smallest bacteria to the largest elephants, relies on respiration to convert food into energy. It's a universal process vital for sustaining life on our planet. As you embark on this animated journey, you'll witness how oxygen navigates through various body systems, how energy is derived from glucose, and why respiration is crucial for every organism. Watch this complete animated exploration now and master the concept of respiration, preparing you to ace your next science exam with confidence.